So, would you like to earn money here into Fiverr using some artificial intelligence tools? Hey everybody, welcome into this new tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how we can actually work in here. Now, there's actually a lot of tools. If you don't know what the Fiverr is, it's an amazing place to start working as a freelancer. And if you haven't worked as a freelancer, basically you're just offering some own services for a business, for another person, for a company, for whatever you want to do. So basically you're selling your time, you're selling your project, you're selling a lot of stuff. But this is a way of how you can earn money or extra income if you are really interested in here. So now that we now know how the Fiverr works, can we use artificial intelligence to actually start creating really, let's say, extra money? Well, the answer is yes. Actually, here we do have find the perfect freelancer services for your business. And here you can type, let's say for example, I want to look for a building mobile application, and you can go for search. If you take a look in here, we do have now the AI services. That means artificial intelligence services. I'm going to type it in here, and now Fiverr has added talent to AI. Get the most of our AI with experts who know it the best. So as you can see, we have the AI applications, we do have AI artists, AI models, content editing, fast checking, and music videos. So these are all the things that you can create yourself if you are interested into actually figuring out how you can gain money using the artificial intelligence, because all of this actual stuff was generated by some artificial intelligence using Stable Diffusion, using ChatGPT, using DALL-E Artist, using Midjourney, using chatbot developments, and more mobile application development. So if I go and type, so let's say for example I want to look for an image that I do like, for example this one, here's going to be appearing that I will create fast original characters and art using Midjourney AI. So we have one HD basic workout, and here we do have all the ideas, any styles like this, and this is the work of this guy. So here as you can see, you can do that if you wanted to. You can do exactly the same thing using some artificial intelligence. You want to do that using Midjourney, but you don't want to focus a lot into that. Let's say that you are not a lot into actually, let's say, into the creative design. You can do much more looking for something else. Let's say for example that I want to look for, I'm going to scroll all my way up, and I want to look for AI applications or AI models or content editing. So I can choose this option, and it's going to be sending me into I will Profit Machine Order AI Generation Script. Now I will do AI content editing, correct ChatGPT content. I will edit your ChatGPT or AI sales copy. So what you can do is just to try to offer services that you can create by using the artificial intelligence. For example, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you something called ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is an amazing place to actually start working using that as a tool for your work, for your personal work, for as a freelancer, and so much more. In here into ChatGPT, what you can be asking ChatGPT is to help you to ask almost any kind of question, and ChatGPT is going to be helping you to answer the most accurate answer. If you have here to the left part, you can see that I have a lot of chats. So if I go and have one chat to ChatGPT, I can have a full conversation, so I don't have to type and rewrite as I am creating more elements here, because this is a actual conversation. So I'm gonna scroll and go into new chat. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna actually start from scratch. I'm gonna type my new chat. There we go. And what I want to do is to actually think about one thing that I can offer as a service, and of course I want to use ChatGPT to be a tool to help me to improve my work. Right, for example, just think about some poems. So broadly speaking, let's say that generate poem. There we go. Now it says I will assist in general linguistic poems and stories. I will generate any kind of amazing poems. Show it quickly. I would create AI poems, blah 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 blah. So we only have 3 services and almost nobody, but this is just an example. But with this example, let's say that I can do exactly the same thing. I can go inside in, of course, and I'm going to type continue with Google, and here I'm going to type, let's say, my account. And just an example, let's say that I have an instruction that says I want to be with you because nobody fits you better than my heart, for example. This is the quote of the customer. So as an example, let's say that you offer that you can translate this, you can use this quote to make it feel like someone else write it, for example, Shakespeare. So what I want to go to ChatGPT, let's say I'm gonna hit into the very first part. Let's go convert this quote in Shakespeare style. I missed the spell Shakespeare, so I'm just gonna go in here and here and hit into the enter mark. Now ChatGPT, I want to be with you because nobody fits you better than my heart. And the style of Shakespeare, that would be, with thee mine own through loved would I fain thee for known dot feet. So as you can see, it's really great to have that. So I can actually offer this kind of service. So I can go into Fiverr, I can hit into switch to selling, and I want to go into my dashboard. I have my business, I have my gigs here, and I can create a new gig. I'm going to hit into create new gig, and here you want to type I will convert your ideas into Shakespeare style, like that. Just perfect. Category, you want to choose this option, and here in my case, writing and translation, I want to look out for, like, let's scroll a little bit down, book editing, resume UK writing, write papers, cover letters, case study. That totally depends on what you're actually looking for. But in my case, this is just like an advice. This is just like an example of what we can do. So here I'm going to look for other, and here what I want to look is for English, and we can do Spanish as well, like this one. I'm going to look out for this one. There we go. Now in positive keywords, you want to choose 5 maximum tax keywords so people can actually find your actual gig. But this is just an example of what we can do. I mean, you don't have to be focused only into this one. I mean, you can look out for, let's say, translation. You want to translate from one stuff into another one. Let's say I want to find 5 different ways to say hello in Italian. And here we go. So I can work as a translator using ChatGPT. Or let's say make an introduction of a blog that tells about the evolution of music through years, and I want this to be in an HTML code. So ChatGPT, of course, needs to help me to do this. So as you can see, the code is being actually created as we are talking. So I can just help others to create a blog using ChatGPT with a tool. So the possibilities are really endless. You can just look out for more ideas by yourself. You don't have to be just focused into ChatGPT. You can look out for more artificial intelligence softwares. I'm pretty sure there's a lot out there. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you have now in mind of what you can do here into Fiverr. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazing tools about the artificial intelligence and how to get started here into Fiverr. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. And well, I will see you on the next one.